Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadila Kairunisa with name 2023312220 from class C in the SQL programming course. In this practical report 1, I will complete the following text. First, this comment This command disconnect to the MySQL database server using the MySQL command line tools as the root user. We are prompt for the password and open successful authentication. We are ready to interact with the database. And next, I show the database. And next, I enter. And next, I create the new database. This database, a new database name 2023312220 practical 1, where all the table will reside. And I use the new database and this command. This style in the MySQL server to switch to the 2023312220 practical 1 database, so all subsequent SQL commands will be executed within the database. And next, I create the first table. I create first table I create a new table, first table, name table museum. In table museum, I have 4 column and ID museum, a primary key of type char4 which uniquely identity is museum, and next name museum of varchar column that store the name of the museum and it cannot be null, and no location a text column that store the location of the museum, and capacity a integer column to store the capacity of the museum with a unique constraint to ensure no two museums can have the same capacity. And next, finish, I create the table museum, and next I describe the table museum like this. Like this, I describe the museum, the table museum, and I create the table gallery seni, the two table, same the table museum. I have four, I have 5 column in table gallery seni, and in the table gallery seni, I have foreign key. I char column that's reference the ID museum from the museum table, establishing a foreign key relationship. And third, I create the table gallery. And next I describe the table gallery seni like this. And next, I create the table peneliti in third table. I have 4 column in table peneliti, 1 ID peneliti, this data type primary key, and data type char, and name varchar, and bidang varchar, and email varchar, and next, I describe the table peneliti like this. And next, I create the table merchandise table, and table toko merchandise. I have 4 column in the table merchandise, and I have ID barang in data type integer, nama barang in varchar, harga in integer, and stock in integer. And I next I describe the table toko merchandise. And next I create the alter table. This alters the penalty table to add a foreign key column ID museum that reference the ID museum column in the museum table. This establishes the relationship between research and this museum like this. And next I describe the table museum. I saw saw all the table, the structure all tables, and description table museum and table galeri seni like this, and table peneliti and table toko merchandise. And I saw all the tables. I have four the tables, one galeri seni, two museum, three peneliti, and four toko merchandise. And in the table peneliti, I need I add the column alamat text. This common alter table peneliti add column alamat text. I describe the peneliti, and now I have a six column in the table peneliti. One ID peneliti, two name, three bidang, four email, five ID museum, and last alamat. And next I need a dropping of foreign key. This command, this drop the foreign key constraint from the peneliti table, removing the relationship between peneliti and museum. And next I enter, and next success, and next I alter table peneliti drop column ID museum. And now in the table peneliti, I have a 5. Nosik, I have a 5 column in the table peneliti, 1 ID peneliti and type data type char, and 2 name varchar, and 3 bidang varchar, and 4 email varchar, and last alamat the type text. And next I saw the index from peneliti and like this. And last I need drop the one table I have, a drop table. I choose the table toko merchandise, and I drop table toko merchandise, and next I enter, and yes, toko merchandise is success dropping. And last I need show the all tables, and I now I have a three table and one galeri seni and two museum and three peneliti. I have the three table in the database in 20233120 in the practical one. And the database has been successful created, and thank you very much for your attention, and I apologize for any mistake or misunderstanding that might have occurred, and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.